So in this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to TradeIndia leads. Let's say you're using TradeIndia as a platform to sell your products and services online or get some new leads for your business. Now you want that whenever you get a new lead in TradeIndia, you want to send a WhatsApp message to that new lead to nurture them. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. So in this automation, whenever a new lead will be received in TradeIndia platform, automatically we are going to send a WhatsApp message using WhatsApp Cloud API to the same lead. And if you want, you can send your product brochure or company details or some other files, images or videos with this message as well. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this kind of automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my TradeIndia account. Now I want that whenever I receive a new lead on my TradeIndia account, I want to send a WhatsApp message to the same lead with the product details and some kind of product brochures as well using WhatsApp Cloud API. Now to do this, we have to connect our TradeIndia account with WhatsApp Cloud API, and we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. And to access Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Now, if you are new to Pabbly, by clicking on sign up free, you can set up your free Pabbly account in just 2 minutes. But if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. So I will just sign into my own Pabbly account. After signing in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And after clicking on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now here in this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow. For that, just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say we'll like to name our workflow as TradeIndia to WhatsApp. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then just select the folder of your Pabbly account in which you want to create this automation and click on create. Now as we click on create, here you can see the workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect our TradeIndia account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever we are going to receive a new lead in TradeIndia, the same lead will be received inside our Pabbly Connect workflow as well. And after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of the lead to WhatsApp Cloud API. And using WhatsApp Cloud API, we are going to send a WhatsApp message with some kind of product brochure or some other company details to the new lead as well, just to nurture them. So let's see how it is done. In our trigger window in Choose App, search for TradeIndia. Just select it. After selecting TradeIndia in trigger event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as Capture Leads. Then after that, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our TradeIndia account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the user ID, profile ID and key of our TradeIndia account. Now you must be thinking how you can get all of these details. So to get these details from your TradeIndia account, just go to the dashboard of your TradeIndia account and from the left sidebar under Inquiries and Contacts, click on My Inquiry API. After coming to this My Inquiry API page, you will see the user ID, profile ID and key in front of you. Just copy the user ID from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After that, copy the profile ID from here and then paste it over here as well. And then just copy the key from here and paste it over here too. And after entering all of these details, just click on Save. Now as we click on Save, we will see our TradeIndia account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, when we will click on this Save and Send Test Request button, the details of the last lead, the most recent lead which we have received in our TradeIndia account will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So let's do it. I'll just click on my Save and Send Test Request button over here, and then here you can see we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the details of the same lead, the most recent lead from my TradeIndia account. Here you can see the subject line which they have entered while making the inquiry of the lead. Then after that, here you can see Sender UID. This is the unique ID of this lead which we have received in our TradeIndia account. Then whatever state they have entered the state of the lead, then we have the other mobile number of the lead over here. Then we have the name of the lead, sender name, then we have the mobile number of the lead. After that, here you can see the country and also the company name, the same company name which they have entered while making the inquiry of our product in Trade India. Then you can see the city of the lead, and also you can see the sender is a client. It's not a business, it's a client. Then here you can see some other details related to your Trade India account, your unique ID, your name, your mobile number, and also your company name. Then after that, here you can see the details of the product. We have the name of the product for which the lead has made the inquiry for. Then you can see we have the message which the lead has sent us over here. And after that, we have the date and time, that at what date and time this lead was received in Trade India. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully received the details of a new lead from our Trade India account inside our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to send a WhatsApp message to the same lead with our product or company details. For that, we will just scroll down and come to this action step. And here in Choose App, we are going to search for WhatsApp Cloud API. Just select it. After selecting WhatsApp Cloud API, in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Send Template Message. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID over here. So to get these details, let me take you to my WhatsApp Cloud API account. And here we are. Now here you can see when you set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account, you can see the temporary access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. Now if you haven't created your WhatsApp Cloud API account yet, don't worry, we have a dedicated video already live on the channel. You can refer to that video to know a step-by-step guide that how you can set up your own WhatsApp Cloud API account. And after creating your account, you will reach to this apps dashboard, this app dashboard of WhatsApp Cloud API. From here, you just have to copy the phone number ID from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. Then after that, just copy the WhatsApp business account ID and paste it over here as well. Then we have to enter the token. And the token which you see on your WhatsApp Cloud API account is a temporary access token. This means this access token will expire every 24 hours. But don't worry, there is a way using which you can generate a permanent access token in your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And a video on that too is already live on our channel as well. So you can refer to that video and learn how you can generate a permanent access token for WhatsApp Cloud API. And after that, just enter that permanent access token over here in the connection window to make the connection. Right now, I'll just use this temporary access token. I'll just copy it from here and paste it over here. And after entering these details, let's click on Save. And as we click on Save, we will see our WhatsApp Cloud API account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the template name. Now here to send the WhatsApp messages using WhatsApp Cloud API to our leads, first we have to create the template of a message in WhatsApp Cloud API account. And after creating the template, we have to get that template approved from Facebook, or should I say Meta. And once that template is approved, we can send that template as a WhatsApp message to our new leads. Now you must be thinking how you can create your own WhatsApp message template. So to do it, just go to your WhatsApp Cloud API account, just scroll down, and here in step 2 at last you can see this hyperlink. Just click on it and it will take you to the message template page of WhatsApp Cloud API. Here you can see a list of all the templates which I have in my WhatsApp Cloud API account. To create a new template of your choice, you can just click on this Create Template button. And the template which we are going to use in this video is named as New Leads. Let me show you. So this is the kind of WhatsApp message we are going to send. If I click on this Edit Template button, you can see the actual template message which I have created. So in this message, you can see after hello, I have written 1 in double curly braces. And here I have written 2 over here. Now to add some kind of dynamic text, some kind of variables in our template message, we have to add these numbers in double curly braces. These are basically variables. So after hello, I wanted to mention the name of the lead who made the inquiry or which we have received from TradeIndia. Now every time we will get a new lead and every lead will have a different name. Means the name of the lead is a variable. It's a dynamic text which will be keep on changing. And to add these kind of dynamic text in our WhatsApp message template, we add these numbers, we add these variables. So after hello, I have added variable 1 for the name of the lead. And here you can see after here, thank you for your interest in our product. Here we have another variable where we are going to mention the name of the product for which they have inquired for. Then after that, here you can see we have the rest of the message, and in this message we are also sending a document attachment. So we will be sending a PDF file like a brochure of our product or of our company or of our business with this WhatsApp message as well. You can send some kind of image, video, document, or some kind of location for your business too with this same WhatsApp message. So I'm sending a PDF document as the attachment. How you can send the document, how you can change it, we will just discuss this in a couple of minutes. But this is the actual template message which I want to send. So we are going to select new leads, this template inside our Pabbly Connect workflow. So from this drop down here, you can see a list of all the templates which I have in my WhatsApp Cloud API account. Out of all of this, we are going to select new lead. After selecting the template, the language code and the template ID are automatically detected, so we don't have to make any changes over here. Then it is asking us for the recipient mobile number. Now here in recipient mobile number, we have to enter the WhatsApp number of the lead which we have received from TradeIndia to whom we want to send the WhatsApp message. So here in TradeIndia responses in the trigger step, we have the response of the sender mobile. So what we have to do, we are going to map this response of mobile number of the lead from this trigger step to this action step of WhatsApp Cloud API. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from TradeIndia of a new lead. Out of all of these responses, select the response of sender mobile and it will be mapped. In this way, whatever mobile number the lead is going to enter while making the inquiry in TradeIndia, the same number will be received inside Pabbly Connect, and on the same WhatsApp number, we are going to send the WhatsApp message. But here you will notice that in the help text it is written, enter the recipient mobile number with country code without the plus sign. Now you will see over here that we have the mobile number of the recipient with country code, but we have the plus sign. But WhatsApp Cloud API is asking us for the mobile number with country code, but without the plus sign. So now what we have to do, we have to basically remove this plus sign from this mobile number. And to do this, we are going to use another feature, a module of Pabbly Connect called text formatter. So we'll just scroll up, and before this WhatsApp Cloud API action step, click on this add action step button over here. And then here in choose app, search for text formatter. Just select it. So using text formatter by Pabbly, we are going to extract the plus sign. We are going to remove the plus sign and get the mobile number with the country code but without the plus sign. After selecting text formatter by Pabbly, here in action event from the drop down, select split text and then just click on connect. After clicking on connect, the first thing it asks us is text to split. That what is the text, what is the response which we want to split into two parts. So we want to split the response of mobile number. So what we are going to do, we'll just click here from the drop down from TradeIndia responses, select and map the response of mobile number. After that, it is asking us for the separator. Now we are going to use this plus sign as a separator because we want the mobile number after this plus sign. We have the rest of the number after this plus sign. And in segment index, select second and click on save and send test request. Now when we click on save and send test request, here you can see we have received the response, and in this response we have the complete mobile number with country code and the plus sign is removed. Now what we are going to do, we will map this response of mobile number without the plus sign in this WhatsApp Cloud API action step. So we'll come here, and instead of this number, we are going to map the response of text formatter, and we are going to map the mobile number without the plus sign. Then after that, it is asking us header document URL. Now, as I told you, in this template message, I'm also sending a PDF file, a document with the WhatsApp message. So what we have to do, here in this field of header document URL, we have to enter the URL of the file which we want to send as an attachment with this WhatsApp message. So here what we are going to do, we are going to enter the link of the PDF file or the document which we want to send. It can be a product catalog, product brochure, your company details, your company brochure, or anything like that. So whatever document you want to send with the WhatsApp message to the new lead, you have to enter the link of that document over here in this header document URL. So I'm going to enter the URL of my document. This is the URL of my header file document which I want to send. I'll just open this document in a new tab over here, and you can see this is the document which I want to send with the WhatsApp message to my leads which I'm getting in TradeIndia. So after entering your header document URL, it is asking us header document file name, that what is the name of this file which we are sending to our user. So the name of this file is curtain brochure. So I'm going to enter the same file name over here. You can basically enter any file name of your choice. The same file name will be shown to the new lead when they will receive the WhatsApp message. After that, here it is asking us body field 1 and body field 2. So in our template message, you can see we have created two variables, two body fields. After hello, we had body field 1. And in place of body field 1, we wanted to mention the name of the lead to whom we are sending the WhatsApp message. So here in this field of body field 1, we have to map the exact same name. We have to enter the exact same value which we want to add in place of body field 1 in our WhatsApp message. So we want to mention the name over here. So from TradeIndia responses from the drop down, select the response of the sender name and map it. In this way, whatever name of a new lead we are going to receive in TradeIndia, while sending the WhatsApp message to them after hello, we are going to mention their name. And here in place of body field 2, we wanted to mention the name of the product for which they have inquired for. So we have received the response of product name as well from TradeIndia. So from the drop down, from TradeIndia responses, we are going to select the response of product name and map it. Instead of these two fields, if you want to add some other details or add some other variables, you can basically add as many variables as you want according to your choice, according to your requirement. Right now, I just took an example of two variables. After mapping all the details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the template message which we have created using WhatsApp Cloud API, this message is sent to the new lead, the same lead which we have received in TradeIndia. So let's check it. We will go to the WhatsApp account of this number and we will just refresh this WhatsApp account once. And yes, here you can see just now a WhatsApp message is received by the same lead which we have received in our TradeIndia account. And in this message, you can see the message says, hello demo customer, means we have the name of the same lead to whom we are sending the WhatsApp message. Thank you for your interest in our product. And we have the same product name for which the customer has made the inquiry. We are thrilled to connect with you and explore potential opportunities. We would love to learn more about your specific needs and how we can assist you further. Could we schedule a quick call or meeting to discuss the detail? Feel free to reach out at your convenience. Looking forward to hear from you soon. Best required XYZ company. So here you can see this is the exact same message whose template we have created inside WhatsApp Cloud API. And the details in the variable field of variable 1 and variable 2 are also changed as per the details of the new lead. We have the name of the lead and we have name of the product for which they have inquired for. Also, you can see with this message, a PDF file is attached. We'll just download this PDF file from here and you can see this is the exact same file whose link we have added in our WhatsApp Cloud API action step in our Pabbly Connect workflow over here. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever a new lead will be captured in our TradeIndia account, automatically we will send a WhatsApp message to the new lead to nurture them with some product brochures or some details as well. Now, the connection between TradeIndia and Pabbly Connect is a polling-based connection. So in this type of connection, Pabbly Connect will check for new leads in our TradeIndia account every 8 hours. But if you want, by contacting Pabbly Connect support team, you can reduce this polling time from 8 hours up to 10 minutes. So that every 10 minutes, Pabbly Connect will check for new leads in our TradeIndia account. And if we have any new leads, it will get the details of that lead. And using this automation, we can send a WhatsApp message to them to nurture those leads as well. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.